Okay, we're going to show you how to install a ratchet handle on a Yeats Dolly. Okay, first you want to get that open end of the spring, put it through that hole as shown, and then you are going to do a 180 counterclockwise turn. You're going to put the base of that spring over the shaft, continue to do counterclockwise. Place the ratchet handle over the shaft square and press down. And there you go. To make sure you do it correctly, give the ratchet handle a couple snaps. Make sure it snaps back into place. Go ahead and put that screw on, 7/16 nut. Do not over tighten. You do not want to snap that bolt. Just get it nice and snug. And good to go.